How's it going, my dudes? Welcome back to another video. So if you are like me and you're not from part of the pre-release regions that the game is released on right now, or well, should I say pre-released on right now, and you're wondering how can I get the Dislyte app to run on my phone? So here I am to help you today. I have received quite a lot of questions regarding this process. So I think, you know what, I'm just going to create a video, go through every single step so that every one of you would be able to play on the pre-release version, which will be no wipe into release. Take note that this process only applies to Android and Android emulators. iOS is currently not supported by the game except for the testing server, but there will be a wipe on that server. So if you are an iOS user, I would highly recommend you to just use an emulator instead, save your data, and actually make meaningful progress as the game develops. So if you want to have a strong head start against the rest, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe if you have not already done so, and let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Google search and search for Dislyte XAPK. An XAPK file is basically the same thing as an APK file, except that usually the XAPK files are larger in size because they contain a lot of the graphics of the game, and in some cases some of the cinematics as well. So as you can see, the first link over here, APK Pure Dislyte for Android, just go ahead and click it. There is no viruses on this. I know it looks really sketchy, they just need to earn some money with a lot of advertisements over here, but as you can see, there is a huge download XAPK file. You just need to press it and then they will probably throw you an advertisement or something like that, and they will say your download is going to start in just a few seconds, and it will start in just a few seconds. And because I already downloaded the file, I'm not going to download it again. So let's just assume that we have already successfully downloaded the XAPK file, and then what's next? Now on over to the Google Play Store, let's click on search, and then we click on XAPK Installer app. I mean, you can just type XAPK Installer, that's fine. And as you can see, the first link over here, XAPK Installer, this is the one that I use. I feel like this is the best app out there. And the reason why you need another third-party XAPK installer to install your XAPK files is because most phones are not able to run XAPK files on its own. Unlike simple APK files, you will need an XAPK installer to install some of these games. So go ahead and click open. You will then see this page over here, and just click on install.xapk files, the button in green. So when you click it, you have two options. One is to automatically search for XAPK files on your device. If you do not even know how to install XAPK files, there should just be that one Dislyte installer over there. If you know exactly where you download the software to, you can then click manually select .xapk file. It will then be a short process of installing the app, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And you should see the Dislyte app appear on your phone. And as soon as you have the Dislyte app, you do not need a VPN anymore, you do not need anything else. You can run the app and install the updates and all that good stuff, and that should be good. However, do take note that during some of the bigger updates, like let's say they're going to introduce some new content into the game, sometimes they'll require you to update your app via the App Store and not just within the app itself. If that's the case, you need to go back to APK Pure, re-download a new XAPK file, go through the entire XAPK installer process again, and they will ask you if you want to update your app. So do not ever delete your Dislyte app. So that's pretty much all there is in installing Dislyte on your phone right now. You can therefore run it and play it, and there is really no restrictions to your gameplay. Okay, and I also received quite a few questions regarding how to create an alternate account and how to play on an alternate account as well. I appreciate your questions, but I think I will cover that in a separate video, so do try to keep an eye out on the video that's soon to come. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope now you know how to install Dislyte on your phone, and hopefully you're able to join me on this process and on this journey, and to just enjoy this huge head start that we have. And if you're able to do so, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more Dislyte content. And this has been free to play, by the way, and as always, I will see you in the next video.